Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn virtually unlimited cash with the websites we've rented for you. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing. But stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. First, let's visit a site that's accessible to any country in the world and is completely free to use. It is called SMSapp.com, a website that gives you a passive income opportunity. However, for now, it is only available for Android devices. The Money SMS app is a software you can install on your devices and then you will earn by simply receiving text messages. These messages are created by their system and clients are not aimed to check and guarantee the successful sending of SMS to far-off countries. And you're basically paid by these network operators and telecommunication companies. Now you're being paid for lending them your mobile number for their test, and you can just leave your device on the site. You don't have to worry about your personal data and privacy because they are restricted to only accessing the messages they have sent. You can actually check that in the section. This app ensures that they comply with the latest general data protection regulation requirements. They also provide the resulting ranking and reviews from an independent webpage. Aside from making money passively with this method, you can increase your earnings through the referral system. It works like this. If you already have a person you have recruited for this task, you can receive an additional 30% every time they earn. And as soon as you have accumulated €2, you can cash out that sweet cash. For the second website, you'll earn $3 for every video that you watch. And for sure, these are not dull videos because they will come from your favorite brands. And you'll get this excellent money-making chance at AttaWallet.com. This website will only take 3 stages and everything is easy to accomplish. Step 1. Watch a video. As soon as you have completed the sign-up process, you'll see recommended videos on your dashboard. You can simply click one of these and watch. Step 2 is to get paid for the video you've just finished viewing. As we said earlier, you can earn up to $3 every time you watch. You may think this is a small amount, but keep in mind that you can do this multiple times a day. More and more videos are added every day. All of them are according to your preferences and past activities. The last step is optional. However, we recommend that you still try to do this one. You can have an extra $1 for every person you promote this website with. And besides these 2 methods, you can browse our homepage to discover more offers from various brands that also use this platform. You can cash out your money once you have accumulated a small amount of $10. Then you can see that Atta Wallet offers 3 payment options. You can directly cash out your earnings to your bank account, exchange them for e-gift cards, or if you're feeling generous, you can choose to donate them. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Moving on today's third site. Let's go to cashkarma.io. This is a website that would not require you any investment or technical skills at all. So even if you don't qualify, you can still earn cash and gift cards. Now, how are you going to generate these rewards using cashkarma.io? Well, you will be answering surveys, but not only that, you can always browse for various tasks that you can do on this platform. And what's great is that once you install the app, you'll be given 300 points as a bonus. You can choose to accumulate these up to 5,000 points, and then you'll be able to cash them out through PayPal or convert it into Amazon gift cards. These 2 are the leading money transfer and online stores worldwide, and more will be added soon. While you are earning these rewards, you're also on the way to gaining extra bonuses because this website gives you achievement badges for every milestone you reach. For example, completing 5 offers, watching 25 videos, or collecting a total of 8,000 points. You can also climb the reward levels and you'll be able to have an additional 12.5% of your usual earnings. For the last website in this video, we want you to go to getpaidta.com. It works similarly to Cash Karma. However, this one has a more extensive variety of tasks you can choose from. You'll earn their in-app points called GPT points by performing very easy errands just like answering surveys, playing games, completing quick tasks, and completing offer walls. All of which are already on the site. And this strategy as a whole only takes 3 easy steps. Number 1. Accomplish tasks you wish to do. This includes the things that we stated earlier. Then step 2. Earn points. You'll be rewarded for the effort and time you allot to them. And once your accumulated points reach 5,000, you already have $1. Now this may seem a small feat and will most likely take a lot of time, but gaining 1,000 points is fairly easy. And for the last step, get paid. There's a huge variety of cash out options that you can select from. In a nutshell, you can convert your points to cash, cryptocurrencies, or e-gift cards. To further illustrate this, you can have a direct bank transfer, use Skrill, PayPal, Bitcoin, and Amazon websites. If you just scroll a little more south, you can see a short list of their online games like Candy Mahjong, Klondike Solitaire, Word Wipe, and Blockchain. There are also highest paying survey sites. For instance, there's Opinion Capital, Say So, and Your Surveys. There's also a short list for the offer walls and tasks that will earn you quick points. All these lists can be expanded if you just click the Start Now button, and you'll be on your way to earning a lot of cash. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as a guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.